Hey guys, what's up? It's Haley. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another day in my life. So I already woke up this morning and right away changed into my little gym uniform. So today I'm actually wearing the Gymshark Energy Seamless set and this is in the beet color. And I'm actually going to be doing like a lower body booty workout today. So I'm going to take you guys with me, show you my workout for today. Today's just like super rainy. So I want to go ahead and get myself some new crew necks and actually know a couple places that are not thrift stores that you can go and get yourself some like Adidas hoodies and like Champion crew necks and stuff for really good prices. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me there. But overall, that's pretty much the plan for today. A little bit of shopping, a little bit of working, a lot of eating. Eran, my husband, is actually gonna come work out with me at the gym today too. He's with a client right now, so I have 30 minutes to spare before we head to the gym, which is kind of perfect because I actually wanted to go ahead and do a little fall unboxing. I got something really exciting in the mail and I got my fall FabFitFun box. So today's video is actually sponsored by FabFitFun. This is like my 5th or 6th box with them. I'm seriously obsessed. So FabFitFun just came out with their fall box, and for those of you that don't know, it's pretty much a seasonal subscription box filled with full-size goodies, and it comes with a bunch of like beauty, wellness, lifestyle, fitness products that comes out 4 times a year. Each seasonal box is $49.99, but right now you guys can actually get $10 off your first box by using my code Haley10, and you can get your first box for only $39.99. And now FabFitFun actually offers you the chance to customize your box, so you're guaranteed to have things that you love. And oh my god, I completely forgot about some of these things that I got. I'm so excited to share them all with you. Alright, so getting into the unboxing off the bat, I am so excited about this one. When I saw that it was available for customization, I was like, oh yes, I need that. And basically it is a full-size Amika hair straightener. This is the Amika Strand Perfect Ceramic Styler. I already have a straightener, but mine is much thicker and wider. But the reason I wanted a thinner one is because lately I've been noticing a lot of people doing these cool crimp styles in their hair. So basically you would just go and you would crimp your hair like this, and it definitely works better when you have a thinner head. So I really wanted this one and I'm excited to try it out. Next I see this Tracy Mini Eye Essentials makeup pencils. Ugh, I love when they include makeup. So it comes with these like 4 makeup pencils, I guess all meant to create one eye look. So this is a mini brow pencil, which honestly I don't own a single brow pencil because I actually don't fill in my brows because where? Like they're so bushy already. This one is a mini shadow crayon. I love shadow crayons because they're just so much easier to apply. You don't even need a brush, especially when you're on the go. Taking these for travel are much more convenient. And this one is also shadow crayon, but it's definitely like a darker brown one. I guess it is for smoking out the edges. Gave you a little eyeliner for your waterline too. And this little set of 4 is valued at $48, so that's kind of insane. These are the Bubble Bar Farah ear crawlers. They're worth 34 bucks and they're actually freaking beautiful. So you could actually just wear them hanging down if you're going for a fancier look, or you can do the full out ear crawler. So I'm so happy I got those because now I can go ahead and add them to my little jewelry collection. Next up is these exfoliating sugar cubes. This smells like a cucumber, like lemonade. Oh, that's so good. I think you could either use 1 or you could use half to exfoliate while in the shower, and I can actually just smell this all day. I feel like I'm just gonna keep this open in my bathroom just so that the bathroom can smell nice. Oh, this is actually really perfect to go along with this. This is the Aveda Damage Remedy Hair Repair, and it's meant to repair and protect your hair from heat styling for up to 450 degrees, which is insane. That's really hot. And I actually go to a hair salon where they only use Aveda products, so I definitely know that Aveda is really good. These are the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold eye masks, and it comes with 6. Like, that's a lot. You've 100% seen these masks on Instagram. I mean, they're just gold and they go right under your eye, and they have hydraulic acid, aloe leaf extract, lavender oil to hydrate your skin. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and try these out tonight before I go to sleep. This is the Humankind Body Souffle, and it is a body lotion or moisturizer. I have so many body lotions and I love using them all the time, especially when I'm tan, because if you want your tan to stay for a really long time, which I do since it's gonna be fall soon, moisturize. Like, lather up your body with a bunch of lotion, and it soaks in very quickly too. I hate moisturizers that just like sit on your skin. Do you know what I mean? And this last little thing I actually got the most excited for, and basically it's a gourmet wood and ceramic cheese board. Have you guys been seeing like all these really artsy like cheese board photos? I've been wanting to create a cheese board for so long because if you guys don't know, cheese is my favorite food. I'm not exaggerating. Like, if someone asks me what my favorite food is, it's cheese. Put cheese on everything and it will make it instantly better. But I just love this so much. Now I can hit up my girls and say that I'm offering a cheese board at our next get together. And that's it, guys. That is everything that I got in my FabFitFun fall box this year. I'm actually obsessed. I love so many of these things, like the straightener, super excited about, cheese board, jewelry, makeup, so many amazing goodies that I'm excited to try out. And FabFitFun now is actually available for you guys in the UK as well. So you guys can go ahead and click the link down below in the description. Use the code Haley10 to get $10 off your first order and get the entire box for only $39.99. But I love doing these little unboxings with you, and now Evan actually messaged me that he's done with this client. But I'm just so excited to get our workout in. My body's been feeling like super stiff and I'm just really in the mood to go today. So don't know what workout Evan is doing today, but we will see at the gym. So let's go ahead. So getting started with today's lower body workout, we're going to be focusing on our legs and our butt like I mentioned. So I always start off doing my high walking incline. I do it on a 15% incline and I walk at a 2.5 speed for 5 minutes. It's a nice way to get warmed up and get your heart racing just a little. Then I just go in with my foam roll and I really roll out all my muscles. It really helps to stretch them out, and I notice whenever I foam roll, I hurt a lot less the next day. Getting into the actual workout, we're going to start off our first superset and we're actually going to be doing some donkey kicks. So as you guys can see, I love wearing a resistance band when I do this because I feel it a lot more in my booty. And you're going to be doing 15 donkey kicks, kicking up as so on each leg. The next set of the superset is just going to be crab walk. I'm crouching down as if I'm kind of sitting on a toilet, and I'm taking 10 steps one way and then walking 10 steps back. And you're going to go ahead and repeat this first superset back to back 3 times. Next, we're going to be doing 3 sets of hip thrusts, and I told you guys that I love doing hip thrusts. I feel like they're the absolute best workout that you can do for your butt. So you're going to be thrusting up 15 times and you're going to take a little break. You're going to thrust 15 times, take a little break, and thrust 15 times again and take a little break. So you're pretty much going to be doing 3 sets of 15 reps. The next exercise in this workout is squats. So I actually always wear a belt in my abs because it prevents you from having a hernia. You feel a lot safer, and I just feel like I have more control and stability in my core. So as you guys can see, I'm just doing some basic squats. Obviously, I try not to go too heavy with weight because I want to really focus on the contraction being in my glutes. And I'm sorry if I'm not going into too much detail on exact position of how I'm doing these exercises. It would just take really long to explain it. So comment below if you want a video all about the specifics. And something that I noticed really helps my squats is this pillow. It's the absolute best thing ever. It keeps the bar from jamming into your neck, and the support for the squats is overall so much easier. And then the last little superset of this leg workout is just gonna start off with some lunges. These are just reverse lunges where I'm stepping back and I'm just doing 12 reverse lunges on each side of my leg. And I'm actually gonna superset that with these hip thrusts, but these are actually one-legged hip thrusts. They're a lot more difficult and challenging, but I feel it a lot more in my glutes as well. So you're just gonna do both these exercises back to back, just as I have written up in the corner. You are glossy like a glazed donut. Yeah. All right, and here is my post-workout bowl, I guess. You guys can see there's rice here on the bottom. I have some chickpeas, avocado, sweet potato. There's some spinach in here somewhere also. And then 2 eggs and a can of tuna. There's so much protein in the salad, and if you guys do want to have a vegan option, you could just replace the tuna and egg with some more chickpeas or some quinoa instead of the rice. Alright, made it to the mall, and I wanted to tell you guys the one place that you can actually go and find yourself some amazing crew necks and hoodies usually is Hudson's Bay. It's pretty much a department store that has a bunch of different brands, and it feels like a big thrift store because you really don't know what you're gonna find. But Hudson's Bay, I'm not sure if it's Canadian or if you guys have it in the States too, but literally there's so many amazing stuff here for such great deals. You guys saw I went to Hudson's Bay. So many good things there. Oh, look at these colors. Oh my god, I'm so excited to share these crew necks and sweaters with you. But you know what? Let's start off with the jeans. And they're called the Ribcage Split Flare jeans. Basically, I saw my friend Rachel wearing these in her Instagram story and she looked so good. They made her legs look super long and I was like, girl, I need to get these. Now I got jeans that cost $128 for only 44 bucks. It's definitely more than I usually pay for a pair of Levi's, but you guys know that I thrift more vintage style Levi's, and there's no way I could have found this like newer style flare ribcage high-waisted one in the thrift store, so I just went for it and got it, and I'm so happy I did. Next thing I picked up was actually this t-shirt. I did have a ton of these, but I sold all of them to you guys, and I just really love this orange color. I feel like if I want to pull off more of like a t-shirt and jogger look for fall, the orange is just much better to go with the season. Got it in a size large, but the only reason I had to pick it up is because this t-shirt was originally $40 and I got it for just $11.99. No joke, I've seen these Adidas t-shirts be selling at thrift stores for like $15, and I got a brand new one from Hudson's Bay for $11.99. And then the last thing I picked up at Hudson's Bay specifically was this beautiful Adidas crew neck in this amazing lavender color, and you guys know that this lavender color has been my absolute favorite. Remember these lavender sneakers I showed you in my shoe collection haul? Yeah, obsessed. And even my nails. You guys can see it was originally $75 and I got it for 30 bucks. I got it in a size large, and honestly it's like the perfect oversized boyfriend crew neck. So then I headed on into Winners, which you guys saw, and I picked up this Champion cropped crew neck in this neon. Kind of insane how these will work as perfect outfits. I didn't even plan it, but these two crew necks match my feelers perfectly. First of all, the fact that it's a neon and it's cropped and it's Champion and it was on sale was so weird to me, because I feel like this could be selling for full price on Urban Outfitters right now and people would still be picking it up. But it says that this crew neck is originally $55. I got it for $34. A little bit more pricey, but this is actually very warm and fleecy on the inside, which is why I feel like it's worth it. It's actually going to be keeping me warm, and even though I got it in a size small, it still fits like perfectly oversized. And then the last little sweater that I got is actually a full-on hoodie in this beautiful like periwinkle blue color. Is it periwinkle? I don't know, but the sky blue color has been super popular also. I just realized I'm really into like more pastels right now. It's also a size small, but it still fits super big and oversized, which is my favorite. Wearing these with like some leggings or even some bike shorts, such a cute look. And the story with this one is actually insane. It was estimated to cost $55. The price tag actually said $24.99, so 25 bucks, which I was honestly like, that's already such a good deal for a brand new Champion sweater. But I don't know if you guys can see this. The drawstring has some like makeup or foundation or something on it. So I took it to the cashier and I just asked her if she could give me a further discount on it. So she did. She ended up reducing $4. But my train of thought is that if this doesn't wash out, then I can actually just cut the drawstrings a little shorter. It doesn't really matter. It's gonna look the exact same. But I saved myself a couple bucks with that, and I'm just so happy with this hoodie. But yeah, here's the beginning of my fall collection. I am so excited, and granted, I'm going thrifting tomorrow for fall trends, so I'm definitely gonna add a lot more amazing things into my wardrobe, so stay tuned for all of that. All that shopping definitely worked up an appetite, so I'm gonna go ahead now and make some dinner. It's Taco Tuesday!
Taco Tuesday!
And so exciting. He finally finished work, so we're gonna go ahead and have dinner together now and probably finish watching 13 Reasons Why. It's been our obsession lately. The season 3 is actually really good. So here is the Taco Tuesday spread. So you guys saw the beef is right here. It's looking so good. It simmered for about 20 minutes and I actually let a lot of the water evaporate so it's not too saucy. I have some shredded iceberg lettuce. The beans are right here. I just like cooking them because I like it when they're a bit softer, not too hard. Made some avocado mash just with lemon and salt. Chopped up onion, chopped up tomatoes. He needs his spice, so he's got his jalapenos. And between the two of us, he loves the crunchy tacos and I love the soft ones. So basically you're gonna start off with putting some shredded lettuce at the bottom because you don't want any of the juices from like the watery veggies and stuff to get there. So then I'm gonna go ahead and load up on the beef, and then I like tomatoes.
Look at this masterpiece.
The beans on top. Oh, so good. Yum.
Nothing is with Haley. She doesn't like it, but I like onions.
Yeah, because his breath smells so bad after.
Yeah, Haley, you like garlic. That smells just as bad.
But garlic is so good, it's worth it. Okay guys, and that is it for today's vlog. I hope that you enjoyed it. This whole Taco Tuesday thing was kind of a spontaneous dinner idea, but it's good. And honestly, we should make it a weekly thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you have any other recipes that you want me to try out, certain specific foods, let me know. I would love to hear from you guys. Love you guys all so much, forever and always, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye!
Bye!